Kia ora te whānau, no mai hoki mai. Now, there is $100 worth of free Bitcoin, but you're going to have to be quick and you're going to have to figure out how to do it. So I'm going to give you all the information. So I had a question on one of my videos and I thought that it warranted a video. So the user asked, can you back up your ledger on a Tangem and then use your Tangem? Well, you can, because as long as you have the seed phrase, which you would have written down and stored when you first got your ledger. This one here's got a 24-word seed phrase. Then as long as you've got your seed phrase, you can import that seed phrase into any wallet. Any wallet that allows you to import a seed phrase, you can do that. So you could, import that. You could even import this into MetaMask. And, if you've got any Ethereum or anything on your ledger, you'd be able to make transactions. But it's not recommended. The whole reason for having just your seed phrase on paper and everything on the ledger is for security. However, if you wanted to put it on a Tangem, if you wanted to import your seed phrase on a Tangem, you would need to follow these steps. You'll need to get a burner phone or a brand new phone. It can be a second-hand one, but as long as when you receive it, you factory reset it. Or if you've got an old phone lying around, factory reset it, make sure that it's 100% clean, and then you won't have any malware or any keyloggers or anything like that on it. And then you'll have to make sure that you're connecting to the Wi-Fi using a home, private, secure network. Okay, so that's vital as well. So then you've got you're mitigating the risks. Okay, and when you import it, and then obviously the only app that you will install will be Tangem. So don't install anything else. This phone will only ever be used for that. In fact, what I would do is once you import the seed phrase onto Tangem and you've backed it up on the 3 cards, I would just delete the app off your phone and just factory reset, or just factory reset your phone. And then when you need to access one day, or whenever you need to access your Tangem backup, then you just install the app again, and then you could just access the cards again. Or if you wanted to do it so that you're actually using the Tangem card on your phone, you could do that. But just remember that every time that you use your seed phrase anywhere, put it anywhere, it's exposed one more time, so you are definitely increasing your risk. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you. So I've got the seed phrase, all right, and it's got $100 worth of Bitcoin on it, all right. So I'm going to show you the seed phrase. So the seed phrase is on here. So I'm going to import it into Tangem. You're going to see the seed phrase, but there's one more step that you're going to need to take to be able to figure this out. Okay, and it's not that difficult. You just got to be smart and quick before anybody else gets it. Okay, so let me just grab my phone here. Okay, so I'll record the screen. Okay, so I've got Tangem. I'm going to scan the card. So I'm going to click on Scan Card and scan this one here. Okay, so right here it's got Generate Keys Privately. So normally, if you're new to crypto and you're a new user, you obviously want to just create wallet, and that will bake the seed phrase on the 3 cards, and then each card is a backup of that seed phrase, and you can just store it in different locations, whatever you want to do. But as long as you never lose those 3 cards, you can have one that you just use all the time, but make sure that the other 2 are stored safely elsewhere. But what I do recommend is that you actually don't just create the wallet, you actually use your own seed phrase. But if you're just new, do it this way. If you're experienced and you want to have full control over your funds, then you would use your own seed phrase. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the seed phrase. So I'm going to click on Other Options. Okay, click on Other Options, and then Import Wallet. So I'm not going to generate a seed phrase. If you're generating a seed phrase through Tangem, it'll give you a 12-word, and mine is a 24. All right, so I'm going to import wallet. All right, click on Import Wallet, and then I should have this saved in. There we go. Right, so there's the seed phrase. So you can go like crazy if you want, but you're not going to be able to get anything until you keep watching this video. All right, because I'm sneaky. Okay, so now I'm going to just click on Create Wallet. Okay, and then it's going to ask me to tap that card again. Hopefully it's the right card. I've got 2 down here, so yep, that's good. Okay, so now we're going to back up. So normally you would back up 2 cards when you've got a 3-card set, but I'm just going to back up this second one just for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, so it's not even a tutorial, it's more of a giveaway, but anyway. Okay, so add backup. Okay, so I'm going to get my second card, put that up there. Okay, so now normally it says add a backup card, so normally you do your third card. I'm just going to do 2. So I'm going to click on finalize backup, continue, yes, and then I'm going to quickly put in I'm going to put in here, I'll just put in a random one. Okay, what was it? 7177. Okay. Right, so now scan the primary card again. This is when it does the 15 seconds or the 15 taps. Okay, scan the backup, which is the next one here. Got that one here. Do this. Go through the same. Awesome. Okay, so we've created the wallet. Now I want to show you something. And in order for you to get the $100. So if I go to continue to my wallet, you'll notice that the Bitcoin has 0 in there, but there is actually $100 worth of Bitcoin on that seed phrase. Okay. So if you haven't figured it out now, you better run quick and get it. But I'm going to click on the Bitcoin here, and I'm going to click on receive, and I want to show you this. So down here you can see that the address starts with BC1 and ends with 4F. Okay. So this is your clue. So if you come over to my tool, if you haven't checked out the vault that I created, this is a way of backing up your seed phrase and making sure that even if it does get stolen, you're not going to lose your funds, and also being able to back it up in a way that you can have it in plain sight and never lose it, never forget. You'll never forget any. You never have to forget anything. Okay, so anyway, check it out. There's a playlist there. It's a really awesome protocol and a way to do it, a way to back up your seed phrase forever. All right, so anyway, if you notice here, we've got the 4F, so this is the address right here, okay? So if we come back up here, it's BIP84, so the derivation path is BIP84, and that is what Tangem is using. They're using this BIP84 derivation path to create addresses in their wallet, whereas the $100 is on a different one of these. So you're going to have to figure out which one it's on, and then you're going to have to find the wallet, the correct wallet, to be able to import and make sure it's using the right derivation path. And there's heaps of wallets out there. You just got to figure it out. Okay, so that's what you need to do in order to get that $100. All right, so you better be quick. And please leave a comment down below and tell me if you got it, because I just want to say, I think this is cool. I love things like this. It's like a quick treasure hunt. But anyway, yeah, leave a comment down below. So that's that. So basically, it boils down to this. If you've got your seed phrase from your ledger, yes, you can import it into any wallet, even MetaMask, but look, I wouldn't advise it. If you're going to, like I said, if you're going to import it and have it on Tangem, just make sure you follow those steps. Factory reset your phone, really secure Wi-Fi connection, and never ever use that phone for anything else. And even better, just factory reset the phone after you've backed it up, and make sure there's no one over your shoulder watching you. Write down, put in that seed phrase. All right. Hope that's helped. Have yourself an amazing day. I hope somebody gets that $100. Somebody will get it pretty quick if they know what they're doing. Okay. Enjoy your day. I'll see you in the next video. Kia kaha.